Hi everyone, today we're going to make a very simple porridge using a rice cooker. This is part of my rice cooker series. I'm going to use a basic rice cooker. You can also use the multifunctional rice cooker. First, let's prep the pork ribs. Here I have 400 grams of pork ribs. Add some salt. Mix well. So usually I'll marinate this overnight. The meat will turn out tastier and softer as well. But if you don't have time, just marinate it for about an hour. Once the meat is ready, prep the rice. I always use jasmine rice to make porridge. The texture turns out thicker, creamier, and more sticky, and very fragrant as well. Now let's wash the rice. 1 cup of rice. Rinse the rice with water a few times until the water runs clear. Now let's make the porridge. Add the pork ribs. Add water. Then press the cook function. Just remember to tilt the lid so that the porridge doesn't overflow. If you're using a stainless steel pot like mine, mix it once in a while to prevent the rice from sticking to the base. Okay, it's done. Smells so good. The texture is very similar to Cantonese style porridge. If you prefer a thicker texture, you can cook longer, or if you want it to be a bit more watery, just add a bit more water and cook again. Now let's check the texture of the pork ribs. It's soft and tender. And lastly, just season with a bit more salt if necessary. Season with some pepper, then garnish with spring onions, some ginger. It's so good. It's warm, it's comforting, so effortless to make. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.